you need is a bucket or a bin with a broomstick, recycling material, a pillow, a belt or a tie, 2 simple hangers. Okay, first things first, fill up your bucket with the recycling material. If you use heavier stuff like maybe glass or even other safer things at the bottom, do be careful if it is glass, and you want to put it right at the bottom so that you keep a nice weight centered towards the bottom, and then the lighter weight stuff at the top, and something that would help hold the stick in the center in between all of these material. Tie a belt or a tie in the center approximately, if not slightly higher up. Make it a little bit tight around the edges so it's nice and strong. Make sure that one side of the pillow is tucked in. Put this one inside and out, and then turn it over. Same thing on the other side. I'm going to hook underneath. Okay, and once it's there, you want to hook it round. On the last bit, you just want to put the pillow inside. Make sure it's right at the center. The weight is being held. Ta-da!